Welcome to the Elite Service Masters channel. Are you aware of the crucial role a shutoff valve plays in your plumbing system? It might seem like a small, insignificant part of your home, but when it comes to controlling water flow and preventing disaster, the shutoff valve is a real hero. Picture this. It's the middle of the night and you suddenly hear the sound of water gushing somewhere in your house. A pipe has burst and water is flooding your home. This is every homeowner's nightmare. But here's the good news. If you know where your shutoff valve is and how to use it, you can prevent a minor inconvenience from turning into a major disaster. By simply turning off the valve, you cut the water supply to the affected area, allowing you to address the problem without the added stress of water damage. It's your first line of defense in a plumbing emergency. And trust me, having one within easy reach can make all the difference when seconds count. But it's not just about emergencies. A shutoff valve is also your best friend when it comes to maintenance. Let's say you're planning to replace a faucet or fix a leaky pipe. With a shutoff valve, there's no need to turn off the water to your entire house. Instead, you can isolate the specific area that needs attention. This not only makes the task easier, but also prevents disrupting your entire household's water supply while you work. Now let's talk about saving water and money. We all know that conserving water is good for the environment and your wallet. A properly functioning shutoff valve can help you do just that. If there's a slow leak somewhere in your plumbing, a shutoff valve allows you to isolate the issue, stopping unnecessary water flow while you get it fixed. Over time, this can lead to significant savings on your water bill. And if you're thinking about the bigger picture, like the value of your home shutoff valves play a role there too. A home with an up-to-date, well-maintained plumbing system is more appealing to buyers and can even increase your property's value. Prospective homeowners love the idea of a house where they won't have to worry about major plumbing issues. A well-placed shutoff valve is a subtle yet significant selling point, indicating that the home has been well cared for and is equipped for quick responses to any issues that arise. Lastly, let's not underestimate the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're in control. There's something incredibly reassuring about knowing you can quickly and easily shut off the water if something goes wrong. It's not just about preventing damage or making repairs easier. It's about feeling secure in your own home. That sense of security is priceless, and it's something every homeowner deserves. So there you have it, 5 compelling reasons why a shutoff valve is a must-have in every home. Whether it's for emergency water control, easy maintenance, water conservation, boosting your property value, or just plain peace of mind, this small but mighty device is essential. But before you go, here's a quick tip. When choosing a shutoff valve, consider the material, the type of valve, and where it will be installed. A good quality valve can last for years and save you from countless headaches down the road. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more home improvement tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.